Okay, so you want to know which are the next tokens and coins that Grayscale, the biggest crypto trust fund, is going to be investing in? Well, stay tuned. This is what I'm going to bring you in this video. Also, I'm going to go through a lot of other news because it is Friday, it's the end of the week, and there is a lot to wrap up. So stay tuned. Let's get started. Okay, and we're starting with one of the biggest news. Twitter is now rumored to be the next big corporation to invest in Bitcoin. It's been revealed that the platform's chief financial officer, Ned Segal, stated in an interview with CNBC that Twitter is reviewing the possibility of adding Bitcoin to its balance sheet and even utilizing Bitcoin for business transactions. This comes just days after Tesla's announcement on Monday that they bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin back in January, and also just days after JP Morgan issued this warning that no other major corporation would follow Tesla's move into Bitcoin. Well, pretty much what I mentioned in a previous episode here. What JP Morgan says is usually the opposite to what is actually happening, especially when it comes to cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular. Now, if you're looking to diversify your portfolio and you're wondering what coins to buy, then maybe this next article will come useful. This is a report by the Cointelegraph. The biggest crypto trust fund, Grayscale Investments, has registered an LLC for a prospective Yearn Finance Trust. The token of Yearn Finance is Wi-Fi, and it is a DeFi, decentralized finance type of a coin. Traders of Wi-Fi have welcomed this news, of course, and we see the price of Wi-Fi shooting up for the past 24 hours. It is now trading around 1 BTC, but if you remember last year during its peak, Wi-Fi actually reached the price of 4 Bitcoins per token, making it the most expensive DeFi token ever. In any case, a good accumulation price point for Wi-Fi is around 0.80, 0.90 BTC, and this is pretty much where I have put my targets for. I'll be waiting for the dip. We'll see how this will play out. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, Wi-Fi has shot 20% up against Bitcoin, 24% up in fiat value. So this is pretty much based on the news from the article in the Cointelegraph. If you remember, in a previous video, I told you about a rumor that possibly ADA might be added to Coinbase, and this was also why we are seeing a lot of pump in ADA currently, but it is a unconfirmed rumor, and I don't really have an unofficial source that would be confirming that rumor. However, with Wi-Fi, this is not just a rumor, this is now based on a filing that is already official. Grayscale has also formed LLCs for SushiSwap, Polkadot, Uniswap, Theta, and Cardano, amongst many others. Not surprisingly, these tokens are all booming right now. The article by the Cointelegraph also points out that registering a corporation doesn't mean that the new business entity is operational. In this case, the LLC is a placeholder for a future fund offering that may or may not come to fruition, they also warn. According to a separate report, other cryptocurrencies that Grayscale has filed for are Atom, the token of Cosmos, Moneros XMR, Aave, and Tezos XTZ. Plus, a filing from late last year was issued for BAT, the Brave browser's native token, also Filecoin, Decentraland, Mana, and LifePeer, LPT. Grayscale has now 33 registered trusts, but only 9 of them are active as of right now, with the most popular, of course, being Bitcoin, which has nearly $30 billion invested. Now, in other news, PayPal is going to be extending its crypto services in the UK finally. Online payment company PayPal has revealed that its crypto service will be made available for customers in the United Kingdom in the coming months. This will allow UK residents to easily purchase, sell, and hold digital currencies directly on the payment platform. PayPal's move into cryptocurrencies was a huge milestone, as many people believed it would cause more adoption for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. PayPal issued this statement yesterday, but there is no specified date for the rollout yet. And bear in mind, with PayPal, you are not going to be able to transfer cryptocurrencies into your PayPal account or out of your PayPal account. You will only be able to buy, hold, or sell the cryptocurrencies within your PayPal account, which is a little bit different than what most of the cryptocurrency wallets or exchanges are doing. There is more news coming about Amazon, Dogecoin and Kanye West, Tron and Lindsay Lohan of all people, but before that, a word about the sponsors of this episode. Praem Capital, this is a company that I featured here on this channel a couple of months ago. It is an investment company registered in Switzerland, which operates under the supervision of the Swiss Financial Market Supervisory Authority, FINMA. Praem Capital Technologies is utilizing trading bots to trade in the forex, crypto and stock markets. They have developed artificial intelligence powered software to improve the work of trading bots and to increase profitability at a high level of security. They operate on a private blockchain for ecosystem automation and cross-niche trading, and I was testing their investment plans since last November. To find out more, check out my video about Praem Capital, which I recorded and posted a couple of months ago. It is in the description below. And I just wanted to show you here my recent withdrawal, which is part of my testing of this service. I always start with small amounts while I test everything, and especially the withdrawals. And I just took out my first $100 just to see how it works. Well, it went quite smoothly and the money is in my MetaMask. You can see here on the screen the transaction. This is saying here external wallet. That's the transaction ID. The amount I took out is 100. However, they have a 4% withdrawal fee. So in fact, I received 96 in my wallet. And let me go into my MetaMask. And here it is. This is 96 USD Tether, which I received. A USD Tether is basically an ERC20 token, and this is why I withdraw directly into my MetaMask. This is also the wallet that I have linked with Praem Capital. So this is the transaction here, and if I want to see more details about it, I can go and view it on Etherscan, but you know, pretty much that's it. It's just a one transaction, and it was quite fast. I received it within just a couple of hours, and here it is. You can see the details of this transaction, the wallet that it was taken out of, and when it was received, and I can see even more statistics if I want. And another thing that I wanted to point out for those of you who are already users of Praem Capital, when you are making the withdrawal, basically you will have to go here. This is deposit and withdraw. This is the option where you have to go to withdraw. This is how you do it. You select here what you want to withdraw, and you select also, this is the withdraw, and you select the wallet from which you are going to be withdrawing, whether it's from the main or the bonus, and then you are just selecting the amount that you want to be withdrawing. You confirm, and you have your wallet address here. I have blurred it because just, you know, for safety reasons, but it has to be an ERC20 compatible wallet, so make sure that it's not just any wallet. It has to be able to receive, you have to be able to receive ERC20 tokens in that wallet. So some of the exchanges may not support all kinds of tokens, so make sure that you are using a proper Ethereum wallet like MetaMask, or another one like my Ether wallet or mycrypto.com, whichever you choose. As I said, in the description you will find my detailed video where you will find out more about Praem Capital. Their goal is revolutionary AI-powered ecosystem for highly profitable and risk-free trading across 5 investment markets. And you can also find my link if you want to join them in the description box. But first, go and have a look at the video so that you are more familiar with what they offer. Now let's move on with other news. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is now preparing for a rollout of cryptocurrency project in Mexico, they say. The official announcement of the project is yet to come. Indeed, the project is sketched out across a series of job posts. The posts appear to be an effort to keep lucrative Amazon Prime customers eternally plugged into the e-commerce giant's platform. The digital currency product is expected to enable consumers to convert their cash into cryptocurrency. This is really exciting. Now, not so exciting is India's plan to ban cryptocurrencies again. All cryptocurrencies investments, according to a report published by Bloomberg. The government is also planning to give crypto holders a transition period of 3 to 6 months to exit their holdings. Transacting with crypto via foreign exchanges will also be prohibited. A senior official from the Indian Ministry of Finance told Bloomberg that the authorities are in favor of a digital currency issued by the Reserve Bank of India, but not private cryptocurrencies. This is nothing new to crypto holders from the region. If you remember, India has banned crypto a few times in the past, and last year a few exchanges took a court action to reverse the then imposed trading ban, which they succeeded in. But it seems that this was not the end of the aggressive anti-crypto campaign by their government. This is in order to prevent people from empowering themselves by investing in assets that have a much bigger growth than India's dying currency. And I would suggest moving abroad at any cost. Guys, there is no future for you in a country that doesn't embrace financial independence. So this is really bad news. I can't really say anything positive about this. They were talking about it even last year when the ban was overruled by the Supreme Court of India. Then the government actually was already looking into how can they actually make it into a law rather than just a ban. And I guess they're now succeeding. This is also reported by the Coin Telegraph. So not good news at all. Now, in other news, I mentioned Doge and Kanye West. So basically, after Elon Musk and then Snoop Dogg promoting Dogecoin, now the latest celebrity to endorse Dogecoin is Kanye West. But it seems like the fans of the Doge army, as they're called, are not really excited about it. Snoop Dogg, one of the comments here, Snoop Dogg, amazing. Elon Musk, cool. Kanye, ha ha ha, time to sell the Doge coin, they say. Another one, with Kanye joining, Doge army is doomed now, I'm afraid. Another one is saying, oof, Kanye is on board, ... And more and more people basically saying that Kanye West is not really a good endorsement for Dogecoin. Talking about weird endorsements, let me load my screen. Lindsay Lohan, of all people, has decided to jump in on the crypto bandwagon, and she posted a tweet about Bitcoin the other day, which was, quite welcomed by the community. Even I retweeted it. And it's always good when we have a celebrity endorsing Bitcoin because they have a lot of fan base, and that will bring, a lot more users into the space, hopefully. However, I see now that she's been clearly paid to be shilling other coins, such as this tweet here, exploring DeFi and already liking GIST, which is just coin, but it is one of the coins by Tron. Also Sun, which is another coin by Tron, on tricks on the Tron network. Super fast and zero fees. Good job, Justin Sun Tron. So this tweet is clearly showing me that either she was paid by Justin Sun to be promoting this or to post this tweet, or maybe somehow she got attracted to the idea of these coins because of Justin Sun. In any case, the fact that she is congratulating him personally means that somehow he bribed her in order to get this tweet out, because she is a celebrity, and as any celebrity, they post tweets for cash. So you're not fooling anyone, Lindsay Lohan. This is yet another paid tweet. Nevertheless, it's not bad in terms that it is promoting crypto. However, I'm not really in favor of random celebrities shilling random cryptos. It's one thing if you're talking about Bitcoin, the king of crypto, the most decentralized coin out there. It's a whole different story when you start shilling some small cap coins, especially the Just token, which is still brand new. It hasn't done much. It hasn't bring any much utility or innovation or anything like that. So I'm very dubious of the genuinity of this tweet. Anyway, this is where I'm going to leave you. I don't want to take any more of your time. I hope this video brought you some value, and I hope you liked the tokens that Grayscale is adding, and they should be on your radar. So if you like the video, give me the thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share it with someone else who will also benefit from watching it. Also, don't forget to check out all the links in the description, where you will find links to all of the major crypto services, like all the top exchanges, all the top hardware wallets that I'm using. And as you know, I always recommend that you keep your coins in a hardware wallet. This is the most secure way. Exchanges are okay for short period of time while you're actually trading these coins, but if you're going to be holding anything longer term, then make sure that it is safe in a hardware wallet. And this is why I have already reviewed, and I've done many tutorials, step-by-step tutorials on how to set up these hardware wallets. I'm using 4 of them, and they're linked in the description as well. You will find okex, which is one of the technical charting tools that I'm using for when I'm doing my technical analysis, and some other services that are really essential for anyone who is in cryptocurrencies. This is everything from me for this video. Thanks for staying until the end. I'm coming to you with another one tomorrow, so see you tomorrow.